how to add friends in Battle Gang and play with them. So what you have to do firstly is make sure you are on the latest update and make sure you guys are on the same version. If you guys both are, it should take you to the lobby right here. As you guys can see, now from here, you're gonna have to scroll down, go all the way to the right, and click on this option right here where it says team up. It should be on top of play. And once you click on team up, you have two options right now. As you guys can see, you have no friends, but you could make friends and add them. So what you have to do firstly is you could invite a friend, click on this icon right here. And once you click on that, you could copy it and send it to anywhere, Messenger, iMessage, Discord. It does not matter. You could add them as a friend. Another way you could also add them, you could create team. And once you create a team, all they got to do is just join with code. So they're going to have to click on this and they're going to have to join. But if you want to join your friends, you could also click on join with code and you could put in the code and you could join their lobby. You could also go over here and you could also add friends. So for example, if I click on add friend, I'm gonna have to put in their player ID. To find your player ID, it should come up right here. So the moment your friends go over there, they should see their player ID. You can also copy this and send it to them. So there's a few ways you could add them. And once you add them, you could just click on play and you guys could play together. If this video did help you, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. This was the simplest tutorial you'll ever find. And if you need any help, make sure you let me know in the comment. Thank you for watching.